children, there will be a small introduction, that is about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, first thing I want to say you all, he was a voracious reader. He had an insatiable thirst for books. He bought books by curtailing his daily needs. In New York, he was said to have purchased about 2000 old books. At the time of the second round table conference in London, he bought so many books that they had been brought to India in 32 boxes. When he was in the USA, he was drawn to the 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the USA, which gave freedom to the black Americans. He saw at once the parallel of the situation for the depressed classes in India. So, children, now we are going to the lesson. This is a small introduction about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and one trait which marked Baba Saheb during his student days and in fact throughout his life was that he was a voracious reader. He had an insatiable thirst for books. He bought books by curtailing his daily needs. In New York, he is said to have purchased about 2000 old books, and it is recorded that at the time of the second round table conference in London, he bought so many books that they had to be sent to India in 32 boxes. It is important to record here one major influence on Dr. Ambedkar. While in the USA, he was drawn to the 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the USA, which gave freedom to the black Americans. He saw at once the parallel of the situation for the depressed classes in India. On returning home, Baba Saheb came to be greatly influenced by the life of work of Mahatma Phule, the victory. Mahatma Phule, the votary of a classless society and women's uplift. The need as well as the feasibility to reform impressed itself on Baba Saheb's mind, and he decided to devote all his time and talents for the amelioration of his underprivileged brethren. Newspapers started by him, such as the Muknayak, Bahishkrit Bharat, and Samata, were at once recognized as authentic voices of the depressed classes. Likewise, institutions set up by him, such as the Itakarini Sabha and the Independent Labour Party of India, became vehicles of change. During the same period, Gandhiji was pioneering his epic reform in Indian society, which included the uplift of depressed classes from whom Gandhiji had termed Harijans. Baba Saheb was elected to the Bombay Legislative Assembly in the elections under the Constitution of India Act 1935. Baba Saheb made effective contributions to the debates in the assembly on a variety of subjects. His flair for legislative work became evident to the whole nation. So, we can stop up to here, children. Now, we can have a small explanation, that is, what is the explanation over here? So, as I told you all, so the thing, first year, the lesson is about Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, popularly called as Baba Saheb. Okay, and here he already, children, as I told you all, he was born in Mahar family on 14th April 1891 in Ambawade village in Muha, Ratnagiri district. Okay, he was born there. Now the thing is, Ambedkar was influenced here with a great deal by the 14th. Like how we could say this, setting equal status of rights for Dalits. He was an avid reader and he collected many books when he was in USA studying and in London when he went to attend the second round table conference with Gandhi. So, what happened here? He had a big thirst of books, reading books, children. So, throughout his life, he was reading all good books. He used to curtail all his needs. So, trait means it is like a character or characteristics, we say, no, that one. So, here what happened?